So this brings me back to the something that is little known. You know the batteries you use. If you check your battery, sometimes you see Li polymer, Leon. There's a lot of them. Some of them are based on nickel, cadmium. These are elements, right? Carbon. And what you should know about it is this: battery technology is the most necessary part of our tech advancements today because everything, practically everything, runs on batteries, right? With regards to consumer tech, anyway. So it's some of the most necessary parts of consumer tech, but it's also where a lot of work has to be done or has been going on for the past times because um, really the technology for how batteries are created hasn't seen a lot of changes. And if you see, they are really working hard to push at that level, which means with every single device that you put your hands on right now, you are going to find that the most advanced, um, where the most work has gone into, and the least advanced piece of tech inside of it is going to be the battery. The same kind of batteries that we were using when we were powering old smartphones that had 4 gigabytes or 2 gigabytes of RAM is same kind of batteries, but just with a little improvement that they used to power smartphones or even cars, right? Worth at least 100 times that in price and size. So battery technology is material science in tech at its best or at its slowest and at its most necessary because they can find all these materials to produce for RAM. They can find the materials to produce better sensors. They can find materials to produce better transmitters or antennas on the phone, even print better PCBs. But the battery technology needs to keep coming up. And if they cannot find good solutions to battery technology, most of the other things there will be useless. What's the point of having a phone that can bring you to the moon and back if it only lasts about 3 hours or 4 hours on a single charge? So you see, there's a lot of pressure to do it in that area, but it also points to the fact that there's no getting better without improving the quality of the materials they use. And if you hear the way they use it, it's so crazy. Say nickel cadmium substrate combined with this alloy, this, and then you see like 5, 6, 7, 10 elements, chemicals combined together to create a predictability, a working pattern for that particular technology to be taken advantage of. You might not even get to know that this is what they are working at with trying to create all these things, but you just pick up your phone and you want to take a picture and you just go, pow, picture. But that thing is there, and if they don't narrow it down, they can advance in technology, and the competition is going to catch up with them. So in the smartphone company, it's not just coders that are working there. It's not just science. It's not just smart guys. There's a lot of material scientists, people who test tube work is on their hand, and that's where they put all their effort or energy, trying to beat the competition by just getting one up on the quality of the materials that they use. Thanks for watching.